So we're continuing in our series of videos all about power generation. And today we want to talk about energy efficiency, or maybe the lack thereof it. So here in Alberta, but this is reflective of a lot of areas and jurisdictions within North America, power generation is terribly inefficient. The reality is we're actually losing about 60% of our energy actually at the point of generation, that centralized point of generation. And then from that point to our facility, we're actually losing another 10 to 12% in just simply line loss, resulting in a pretty abysmal 30 to 32% overall electrical efficiency. As a result of that inefficiency, unfortunately, our power can be very carbon intensive. In fact, here in Alberta, the average megawatt hour produces 0.53 tons of CO2, which on an annual basis, that actually produces 4,600 tons of CO2 per year. So what are some of the ways that we can actually reduce our costs, be more efficient, and be more sustainable? One of the technologies that we've been working with clients all across North America is a technology called combined heat and power, also known as CHP. And what is CHP? Well, CHP, or also known as combined heat and power, or cogeneration, is the simultaneous production of electricity and thermal power, or heat, from a single fuel source. So you have a fuel, you use that fuel in an engine to generate the electricity, which offsets power from the grid, and then we also generate heat. We extract that heat and we inject it into the facility, and we offset the fuel that would have been used to generate that heat. As a result, we can actually generate incredible savings from a financial perspective, generating power on site for as little as potentially 6 cents and as much as maybe 8 or 9 cents a kilowatt hour, depending on the application and the capital cost. But then we can also offset about 2 cents a kilowatt hour in heat costs. Talking about sustainability and reducing carbon footprint, for every megawatt hour, we can save about 30,000 tons of carbon dioxide being released into the atmosphere. And that's just a function of the fact that clean natural gas power generation, salvaging that heat, is so much more energy efficient and clean than taking power from the grid and also generating heat on site. So that's energy efficiency in a nutshell. If you have any other questions, feel free to give me a call, send me an email, leave me a note here on LinkedIn. Look forward to your comments and look forward to connecting next time.